Okay Google, talk to smart mirror.
Okay, let's get the test version of Smart Mirror.
Greetings. How can I assist?
What is 5 plus 5?
The addition of 5 and 5 is 10.
What is 2 plus 2?
The addition of 2 and 2 is 4.
What is 290 multiplied by 190?
The product for 290 and 190 is 55,100.
Who is Amir Khan?
Muhammad Amir Hussain Khan is an Indian actor, director, filmmaker and television talk show host. Through his career spanning over 30 years in Hindi films, Khan has established himself as one of the most
Okay,
popular
Google.
and influential actors.
Who is Virat Kohli?
Virat Kohli is an Indian cricketer and the current captain of the India national team. A right-handed top-order batsman, Kohli is regarded as one of the best contemporary batsmen in the world. He plays for Royal Challengers Bangalore in the Indian Premier League and has been the team's captain since 2013. Since October 2017, he has been the top-ranked ODI batsman in the world and is currently second in Test rankings with 886 points. Among Indian batsmen, Kohli has the best ever Test rating, ODI rating and T20I rating. Kohli captained India under-19s to victory at the 2008 Under-19 World Cup in Malaysia. After a few months later, he made his ODI debut for India against Sri Lanka at the age of 19. Initially having played as a reserve batsman in the Indian team, he soon established himself as a regular in the ODI middle order and was part of the squad that won the 2011 World Cup.
What's the weather in Florida?
The temperature in Florida is 293.2 Kelvin.
What's the temperature in Delhi?
The temperature in Delhi is 291.25 Kelvin.
What's the temperature in Dubai?
Can't find your query.
What's the temperature in Dubai?
The temperature in Dubai is 297.08 Kelvin.
Clear the screen.
As you wish.